Hi everyone, it's Mitchell from Sheetgo, and today I'm going to teach you how to use the weekday formula in Google Sheets. The weekday formula speaks for itself, as you can find the weekday of a given date when using this formula. So the formula will give a number of 1 till 7, representing the days of the week. So in this case I want to find out the date of entry. So on which day was the 1st of January 1994? Let's find out. So we're using the weekday formula, which is weekday. The first thing that I need to do is I need to put in the date. So the date is equal to J2. And secondly, I need to type in the type. For me, it's type 2, as I want the work week to start on Monday and ends on Sunday. If you type in 1, which is the default value, the work week will start on Sunday and ends on Saturday. And we also have type 3, which is equal to type 2, but only it will appear in a 0 till 6. So I'm using type 2, but if you find this difficult, please click on the link down below in the description, as this video is based on a blog post. But for this video, we're using type 2. So pushing on enter, and as you can see, the 1st of January 1996 is equal to 6, which corresponds to Saturday. So let's find that out for all of my employees. So 1 corresponds to Monday, 2 corresponds to Tuesday, and so on and so on. So this is how I use the weekday formula. I want to thank you for your time. If you liked the video, please leave a like, and goodbye.